Today I want to show you how to find the correlation coefficient of a set of data. Every time you turn on your calculator, we would like for you to complete the following steps. So you have a clean calculator and you have a cleared memory. To clear your memory, you simply press second plus 712. This clears all your data, all your tables and StatEdit. It'll reset your window when you're graphing something. So don't just do that when you have when you're starting your calculator or turning it on. You can do this when your window is messed up, you might have zoomed in too much and don't know how to get back to a normal window. You can press second plus 712 to clear your memory. To turn on stat diagnostics so we can find the correlation coefficient, you will go to second catalog, so basically second 0. This will get you the catalog of all the functions of the calculator. Now we want to turn on diagnostics. You can either go all the way to diagnostics on, which takes quite some time. What I suggest is you can go ahead and press alpha, and then alpha will get you all the green options. And we're just going to go to alpha D, which is right here, alpha D. And then it's going to get you to the D's. So then we want to go down to diagnostics on. And you can see it would have taken quite some time to get from A to this. So diagnostics on. And then you're just going to press enter. Once it shows you this screen, it's very important to press enter again, and it should say done. If it does not say done, the stat diagnostics is not on. I'm going to show you how to solve one of the correlation coefficient problems, and please follow along. The table shows the heights and the lengths of several rectangles. We have the height right here as our x values and the length as our y values. What does the correlation coefficient for the data indicate about the strength of the linear association between the height and the length of these rectangles? So our answer options here are weak negative correlation, strong negative correlation, weak positive, and strong positive. So we've already learned what that means. So today I'm just going to show you how to put it in the calculator. I have already turned on stat diagnostics or diagnostics and entered all my values into the table. The fastest way to enter these values into the table is to use your Chromebook keyboard instead of the calculator itself. Just make sure that you press enter every time. Now the next thing that you're going to see is going to be very familiar to you. We're going to press stat and go back to calculate. And then we're going to press number 4. And because we turned on stat diagnostics, 2 more values are going to pop up right here. And that is r squared and r. Now we are only looking at the r. Okay, r squared we're going to be looking at in algebra 2. So r equals 0.155 and we're going to 48 and so forth. So now you got to determine, is this a strong positive, a strong negative? So please go ahead and enter that into the Edpuzzle. You may use your notes to determine what kind of correlation exists in this table.